Hello and welcome back to another session called Rules of Dimension Modeling. Whenever you do any modeling, right, there are certain rules and regulations you need to follow so that your dimensional modeling will become successful. So these are some of the rules which you need to understand while you're going to perform any dimensional data modeling. First one is load atomic data into dimensional structure. So what is atomic? Atomic means it is a data which cannot be divided further. Per the atomic data, the rule number one, a column with atomic data can't have several values of the same type of data in the same column. And what is rule number two? A table with atomic data can't have several columns with the same data types. This is the first rule. Second rule is build dimensional models around business process. So the dimensional model should strictly serve the purpose of the business, not anything else, as performance is dependent on them. So the dimensional modeling is directly related to your business purpose of the company or an organization. Third one is need to ensure that every fact table has an associated date dimension table. So the relationship need to be established between the dimension and fact table with the help of the foreign key. Otherwise, performance will become bottlenecks. Here, it's like, the date dimension is a critical dimension if you take any dimension table and fact table within the data warehouse. Because, the meaning of the data warehouse is time series. At the different time series, we have a data. So date and date dimension is a crucial factor in designing the dimensional data modeling. Needs to ensure that all the facts in a single fact table are at the same grain or the level of details. So when all the data is stored in a fact table, make sure that each fact is stored at all the dimension level. For example, if I have a dimension table which has information about state, county, and zip code and city, I need to have a facts at all the four geographic levels. So need to ensure that the dimension tables use a surrogate key. So what is surrogate key? A surrogate key is a unique identifier used in the databases for a modeled entity or an object. It is unique key whose only significance is to act as a primary identifier of an object or an entity, and it is not derived from any other data in the database and may or may not be used as a primary key. So this is for the rules of dimensional data modeling. So this is about this chapter, and I will see you in the next chapter. Thank you.